وصلى الله على النبي الكريم محمد وآله وأصحابه أجمعين. So we were there in the chapter of Zawil Arham. These are relatives, but neither they are sharer nor they are residue. So they are from extended family or the far kindred. Sabit ibn al-Dahdah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he passed away without any known hair for him. So the Prophet ﷺ asked Asim ibn Adi, do you know any relative of him? So he said no. So the Prophet called the son of the sister of Sabit ibn al-Dahdah, Khurayy. The son of the sister of now Khurayy, or the son of the sister, he is neither a sharer nor a residue. He is far kindred. He is what?
Far kindred.
He is far kindred. So Prophet ﷺ called him. And Prophet ﷺ, he gave his property to him. Give me one time. Umar said to Abu Ubaidah, when Sahl ibn Hunayf got martyred and he asked about his property, to whom it may be given, Umar told Abu Ubaidah that I heard the Prophet ﷺ. He said, maternal uncle is the hair of one who has no other. Mama. Maternal uncle. Otherwise, maternal uncle, he is neither a sharer nor a residue. He is far kindred. He is what?
Far kindred.
He is far kindred. But when there is no sharer and no residue, so then he is the hair. Got it? Hadith is narrated by Imam Ahmad, by Imam Tirmizi and Hafiz ibn Majah. Also another case came to Abdullah ibn Masud radiyallahu anhu. No sharer and no residue was there. In that case, no sharer and no residue. But there was one paternal auntie and one maternal auntie. Paternal auntie, Amma, and maternal auntie, Khala. So there was one Amma and one Khala. Amma is also not a sharer nor a residue. But as she is coming from father's side, a maternal auntie from mother's side. So Ibn Masud radiyallahu ta'ala, he gave 2/3 of the property to the paternal one and 1/3 of the property to the maternal. Got it?
Got it.
This law of inheritance is such a science. Yes. Got it?
Got it.
So this was the first point of view. The second point of view is that of Zayd ibn Sabit. And also the saying of Abdullah ibn Abbas, as we mentioned before. That far kindred, they do not inherit. They are not the heirs. So if somebody does not have the sharers or the residues, he has far kindred, they are not the inheritors, property will go to Baitul Mal. Property will go to Baitul Mal. Now the next topic is types of Zawil Arham. These far kindred are called Zawil Arham. Types of Zawil Arham. Zawil Arham are of 4 types. Number 1, Furu'ul Mayyit. Far kindred. Number 1, descendants of the deceased. Related to him, through a female. They are related to him through what?
A female.
Through a female. Number 2, root ancestors. Related to him through a female. Number 3, deceased's parents' descendant. Number 4, who are the deceased who are the deceased grandparents' descendants. But they are neither sharers nor residues. So tomorrow, inshallah, we will give you the examples of all the 4 types.
Sure.
Then we will proceed further that if more than one categories Zawil Arham are there, what should be done to the property? وصلی اللہ تعالی